Hi everyone, my name's Rhonda from Soapery. My husband and I own this small little gorgeous business in Melbourne, Australia. So we're hoping to show you some gorgeous little products that we make along the way, and also giving you some tips, some tricks and some recipes, of course, so that you can also make some beautiful bath bombs, soaps, candles and beautiful bath products. So that's what everyone's here for, I'm sure. And just to give you a little bit of a teaser, we've created this video so that you can see everything that we make along the way. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe if you would love to see more of what we do, and hit the notification bell, and that way you'll know all of our videos that come up. We'll be doing videos on midweek and also weekends, so that way you'll have 2 a week to watch. And of course we'll answer all of your questions, so just pop them down below, and of course we'll get back to you within a day or so. And my total goal for this is to create a beautiful community full of sharing and caring in this bath bomb and candle world. Thanks so much everyone. If you've listened this far, it means you really love what we do, and we are so proud to be able to bring all of this to you. So share the love, and make sure you subscribe for us, and we'll see you very, very soon with some more videos and exciting tips and tricks that we can bring along the way. Thanks so much. Bye for now.